Do you want to invest in stock market? Are you a trader or investor? Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. Yes, this is my book. So today it's very interesting. So we are not going deep into the why stock market and nothing about it. Do you want to invest in stock market? And why should you invest? And are you a trader or investor? If you're watching live, thanks for watching, and please share this video with your friends. If you're watching the recorded version, thanks for you too. So stock market is just like an ocean. If I talk about investing, people will just generally ask, should I invest in stock market? It requires lots of amount. So many queries, so many questions will come up. And finally, at the end of the day, it's like at the end of the conversation itself, it's like, can I invest after a while? It requires it seems like it requires a lots of amount and lots of patience, which I don't have, and money I don't have. So let's not get deep into how much amount or whatever about that. So today's topic is very niche about, do you want to invest? If you want to invest, then just keep watching and just have a thought about it after the video, right? So if you want to invest in stock market, I can bet you that almost 99% of the people will say, yes, I want to invest. No one can say I don't want, because this is the only place where you can get huge returns, huge upside, huge downside. So both is possible only in this investment, right? So everyone is interested. So I take this, I assume that most of you are interested in stock market, and the very next question you should address yourself is that, are you a trader or investor before getting into stock market? So let me share my story, like how I started, then you can get a bigger picture. I was very enthusiastic and curious to invest in stock market. It's like I know theoretically very well about how this stocks works, how to buy, how to sell, and which stocks to buy. All these things theoretically I am very much well versed at that time. It happened around 2012-13. Then but still I had a fear of, because my dad used to say never invest in stock market and never invest if you don't know anything. So I just staying back. So then my boss told, let us invest in stock market, let's see. I just got a company, I thought let me get into that, and we started playing. And then our conversations led to like very important lesson is that you need to control your emotions when it comes to investing in stock market. You need to follow so many rules, or else you will lose your money. That's what happened. So I learned in a very interesting way, I can say, because now that's the amount I paid for learning that lesson. So I am teaching that to you for free. That lesson is that we never knew whether we are going to be a trader or investor. Once we got a demat account, we thought, let's do day trading, and then let's make 1,000 rupees a day. Very conservative, we thought. So 500 to 1,000 a day, 20 working days in stock market. So we thought 15 to 20,000 will be the ideal amount which we can make on a daily basis, and then we can be huge. So that will be a huge pocket money. We can use it for so many things. So that's how we started. We jumped in. We had a same salary account where we transfer the amount to the salary demat account. We used to buy stocks. We used to sell stocks on a daily basis intraday. So by 3 o'clock, our intraday stocks will be squared off, even if you're not taking care of that. So all we had done all these things while we were working in a company. And yes, we did that. So after a month or so, after almost 30 to 45 days, in between salary came, we never bothered because we were interested in making so much money. But at the end of the day, we never checked the reports which that demat company they were sending to us. We thought we know that we are in loss. Daily we used to make 500,000, 2,000 losses per day. But as a salary account was there, everything was going in a one way. So from salary account, it was going to a other way. So demat account, and nothing was coming back. And after 45 days, I checked the report accidentally, I can say. Then I found that I lost close to a lakh of amount. And then I just ran across my boss, and I asked him, just check that report. I just want to see. He said, how much you lost? First open the report, then I will say. He had lost close to double the amount, close to 2 lakhs. So put together, we had lost 3 lakhs of amount within a span of 45 days just because of brokerages and intraday mistakes we did. So that is the biggest lesson we thought. We should have controlled our emotions, checked the rules, checked how much daily charges we are paying. And first of all, either we should have been a trader or an investor, because we didn't have time to monitor the stocks. We never know what stocks to buy, what stocks to sell, and we were doing in a whatever with half learned lessons, not even half learned, with little lessons what we know. We started doing all those stuff, and we lost so much money. That's a costliest lesson I can say, but that is the best lesson I can say. Then we stopped investing, we stopped trading. So from then on, if we need any kind of thrill, we used to do, because morning while traveling to office we used to day trade, and in between during the breaks we used to day trade, and by 3 o'clock after lunch automatically it will get squared off, ending up in losses. That's what that 1.5 months was amazing. Like it's like a gambling. I learned why people call it gambling, because without your knowledge you lose money, and people think I didn't do any mistake, it's because of the stock market, someone else did, I lost money, right? So are you a trader? If you are an intraday trader, if you want to make on a daily basis, you should spend at least minimum 3 to 6 hours in analyzing stocks. And even after experiences, my gurus now, they say that you should spend at least 2 to 3 hours analyzing stocks, and then you can make money. That is also not guaranteed, but we didn't do that. So if you are interested in stock market, and if you want to be a trader, you need to spend 2 to 3 hours minimum. And initial days you need to spend 6 hours if you want to make money by yourself, right? So that is the first lesson. And if you want to be an investor, you should have patience, because at times market will go down, your stocks will go down like anything. Are you able to buy more stocks at the time? And that is a very tough lesson. Should you buy at the time or should you not buy? Because market may go down and down. The best lesson is last week, Reliance Communication, the February 1st week. Reliance Communication has been brought to National Tribunal, like they are not paying the dues, and there is so much happening around Reliance Communication. They are not able to sell it to the big brother, Mukesh Ambani, and then so much has happened, and they had pledged almost all the shares because of all the complaints surrounding around Reliance Communication. The related companies of Anil Ambani's companies, Reliance Capital, Reliance Power, everything, almost 4 to 5 companies, listed companies, has went down like anything. From 300, Reliance Capital has came down to 120, 110, and Reliance Communication, it's trading in single digit, 5 to 6 rupees. From 35 it came down. It was already brought down from 150 to this much level. So if you are catching that company at this level, you are like almost you are burnt, like you are burning your fingers again. So you shouldn't buy when the company is falling, right? Because you never know whether he is going to buy the company, his company is going to be profitable, and whether his elder brother Mukesh Ambani is going to bail out his brother's company. So all these are issues which is already there in the Reliance Communications and Anil Ambani's companies. If you're buying thinking that the stock is available cheaper, and if you're buying that stock, then that's it. It's like, it's ultimate gambling. You shouldn't do that. So buy a stock which is very clean, buy a stock which is good management repo. These are all next level of we can see in the next video. So today, if you are just think about if you're interested in investing in stock market. So if your answer is yes, then think about, are you a trader or investor? Trader means on a daily basis or on a monthly basis. If you're expecting returns, then you need to invest your time. Then forget about it. And if you're an investor, you should have long-term vision. Either you should go for more than a year minimum, I'm saying, and 1 to 3 years, and more than that, you can expect a good amount of returns. Companies like L&T, Infosys, TCS, ITC, these are some of the blue chip companies and stocks which has given enormous returns. Eicher Motors, Maruti, everything. All these stocks are done enormously well, but when are you buying, and how much long you are staying invested? This classifies you as an investor. So just put in your comments whatever clarifications you have. Just put in your comments in the below comment section, and then I'll be happy to answer. If you have any doubts related to stock market, or should I sell my stock I have already, am I an investor or trader, if you have doubts regarding that, just put in your comments, and then share this video with your friends who says that stock market is gambling. Just share this video with them and tell that stock market is not gambling, and the way you are trading or the way you are investing makes you a better investment product, which is stock market investing. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends. I'll be happy to share my whatever I learned in the last 6-7 years with respect to stock market investment, hands-on. And thank you for watching. See you.